Wind Caves. Lyon Mountain. Yeah. Let's go see what's inside.
Let's go see.
It's fucking 80. I'm excited to get in. It's like 85 degrees out here right now.
Oh, it is. You got a B. Oh. It liked your Red Bull.
Oh. Let's do it.
Let's go, boys. I don't know if we're gonna be able to stand fully. We're definitely crouching in the beginning bit, but
Oh my god, that feels so good.
dude, it's so cold. It's crazy how much difference just from. Oh, it smells dank. I can't tell if there's. Oh yeah. Well, I'm sure this has been somebody's blunt smoking cave a few times. Oh yeah. It's super damp though. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Yeah. We're standing up. Oh, that's only giant cracks in the rock. Finally, Obamacare. Holy shit. Holy shit. That goes so far down. What the fuck? Is that a pipe? Just sticking out of the rock? What the hell? What? Oh yeah, a beam, yeah. Oh fucking hey. Holy shit. How did you guys never explore this?
I bet this is above.
Oh! Did you see that?
Bat. Oh,
something.
I bet this connects to Greenwater, dude. I bet this is above. These are the vertical shafts going down. This is the one maybe where the railroad was, and that was the one that collapsed.
So this is where he would have came out.
Maybe? I don't know. That's my hypothesis for the moment.
Holy fuck.
Dude, it's so dusty.
I know.
My light throws like 100 yards or more, and you can hardly see even that far.
This is the point that as much as I can get in here. Damn, look at how high that goes up there.
Oh my gosh.
Jesus fuck.
Oh, some more pipage.
Oh.
Right there.
Oh my god.
Oh wow, look at that. It just crawls up through the rock.
Yep.
What the fuck? That is crazy, bro.
Oh my god, I don't want to get too close.
I know, it's it. Well?
Dude, you would not want to fall down there.
No, God, you would be dead.
You'd be dead. That's the end.
And if you weren't, you would not be having fun.
You wouldn't be able to get back out this way.
No, fuck no.
This looks like a pillar right here, so it probably loops around.
You see anything from that angle, Judah? Up there?
Maybe a little bit. There's a fucking arrow. There's something. I don't know what it says yet.
Colin Gills?
I don't know what that is.
What the? You gotta be fucking kidding me.
Somebody died down here, maybe?
You have to be. I have to. Wow.
You're gonna look up Colin Gills.
Dude, he went missing.
Did he?
Oh, is that...
Motherfucker's down here?
Wait, you want to take a picture of it?
Yeah. They don't know where he went.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Somebody sprayed
More pipe down that
Yeah,
fucking
what
follows.
is that?
it. Let's light this up.
Hey, look at our recorder real quick. This is the name Colin Gills, who I went to Upward Bound with. Who mysteriously went
Oh,
missing.
shit, you knew the guy.
Uh,
Oh, he went down for the free candy.
what?
He went down for the free candy.
Oh, is this right?
Well, the free candy's right there, supposed to be, anyways.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
But yeah, I knew this dude. I don't know where the fuck he is. I never found him. I think he ran away, but somebody thinks he fell down here.
It does kind of look like rock candy. Oh, yeah. That's crazy shit, dude.
You think we can traverse the other side?
Oh, you can absolutely get back here. There's a rope back here. What the fuck? Oh, it's a cable. Oh, it's a cable. Look at that shit. Broken steel braided cable. Wow, this is nuts. Holy fuck. Oh yeah. You can see daylight.
Look at this. Looks like it was a K.A.J.
Looks like they started, yeah. Oh yeah, maybe. Oh, that goes so fucking far up. Oh, another bat just flew by y'all's heads. Oh, here he goes. Come play. Come play with us. Hey guys, there's somebody that wants us to go play with us down there. Come play with us.
Right above us. They're like concentrated areas.
Oh shit, yeah.
Been following the same spot for a while. Oh, look at the rust.
Weeding down the rocks. That is dope. Oh, fuck that.
What do you see?
Oh, dude, look at you see right there where it's all running down and rusting. That's crazy.
It's still laying up in this bitch.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Yeah, definitely. But do you see a way down?
Fuck no. Kyle, if you die, I'm not coming to get you. Oh, because it drops off, yeah.
Well, we're done here then. Alright. It might. I'm trying to...
I don't think that this obviously isn't where we were throwing rocks or water or rocks into the water.
No, but he's saying about 300 feet below might be where we were throwing rocks into that water. Ooh. Let's see.
See right where there's light shining right there. You can see the holes in the rock. There's a whole big down there. That's just big cave in there.
No, this isn't even... I know what this is. This isn't the fucking green water one that I was just thinking of where we were throwing rocks. I mean, it still goes to green water, but it's when we got to that shaft. And then we went down, you remember? Yeah. So, like, we went up when the ice was still there, or at least maybe when we were more stupid, and, like, went up there.
Alright, dude, I bet you these go down to the vertical tunnels.
That's what I mean.
Yeah. The vertical connectors, like where we climbed down on the
Railroad?
railroad.
Oh, you think this is that?
That's what this is.
No.
It's not this, it's the one on the other side that's flat. Remember we, like,
Yeah, we went over there.
we tried to climb up to the top and we couldn't do anything.
Let's see the other side, dude. I mean, that one looked a little bit more manageable.
Can we get much higher?
Probably could.
Kyle knows what I'm talking about. With equipment and lights, yeah. Dude, there's such a healthy dusting of. Oh my god.
You could only, you'd only get to where that edge is right there, and then it goes straight down from there.
Fuck, dude, you can't even see the other side. Like you can see barely there where my light is, but outside of that.
Oh, you know what? It's every time for this, ready? Here we go.
Nice.
You practice doing that.
Solid.
Wait a minute.
Oh, look, there's some ties right there,
Oh, yeah?
or at least beams of some sort.
Well, fuck you, Ryan. I gotta say, I think we should keep going. Is there something else we don't know about?
Yeah, I don't think that.
We gotta keep going. I mean, if you guys have never explored this side of the
There's no way to get
Yeah, I mean, we could. I don't know, there's no strong anchoring point.
You'd have to anchor the rocks. There's where the cable is over there.
I think I'm gonna go to the other rope caves and rappel that before I feel confident enough to rappel them.
Oh yeah, especially with being so silty. Ooh. I mean, once you get down to that ledge, it kind of looks like you can stay close to this wall here and just kind of slide down on the silt. I don't know if you'd really want to do that because that's fucking sketch. Like right there, the ledge, and then you could hang on that little corner there and slide down. Yeah, he's got it, yeah.
I mean, I don't know, because we're gonna get the ropes gonna get all dirty on this too.
No, I'm not saying use it now, I'm saying if I get through it. I just want to take a look at the ledge.
Fucking A, dude. This is different. He was on the ledge. You're climbing down this. Oh, dude. I'd cut over to the right here if you can. Does it just cut out underneath this ledge? Does this go straight down or? Oh, you kicked the rock down.
No, it was a ghost.
It's the ghost of Colin Gill. I heard it hit water.
Did you?
Oh yeah. It went click click and then. That could have been it breaking through ice. Yeah, fuck that, dude. Come back up.
So this is another place, because we could, one day bring the house and shit, but we could have to either rappel down here on this side.
I mean, you could probably do the other side if you're both.
The other side, but that's even worse than, and the other thing about the other rope cave is it's outside pretty open, you know what I mean? And I think that would be
Fuck me, that's deep. Makes me wish I could pilot a drone, you know? Go down, fucking fly and see if I can figure out.
I'll tell you this much, I would feel confident today going down. I'm not saying we're going to.
so that's possible. We know that this is weird.
And possible.
Hey guys, is there fall damage? Is there fall damage in this game?
Only one way to find out.
Can't wait, dude. You need to title this episode of exploration with checking if fall damage is real IRL gone sexual. Damn. Oh, nice. There's a pentagram. Hell yeah.
Holy shit, look at this.
What the fuck does that say? Away? Oh, away, yeah. Does it say go anywhere? No. What does this say? It says... What the fuck does this say? COVID? COVID something? I don't know, man. don't know. I don't know if that's a V.
It's probably like 30 years old.
No, because it looks like you got COVID, but what the fuck is this up there? Oh, maybe that's the dot.
For the word that's over there?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. This shit's
Come
shiny.
play with us right here.
Yeah, going straight down.
This water?
Is it just?
Nice. Yeah.
Damn.
Pretty tiny.
What the fuck is that? Smells like...
All right, look at it. I gotta smell this.
Look at my glove.
Oh, what the
Yeah,
fuck?
it's got like white residue.
It's probably some sort of mold. It's probably anthrax. We just killed ourselves.
That's what we were working on anyway.
Hey, what's this stuff on the cave wall? Let's smell it.
I think it's a liquid.
Oh, what do you mean? It's growing where there's water? Oh, it's probably, fine. OPP escape. Oh, it's a maybe it says K. Oh, something escape. I don't know what the hell that says.
I was gonna say, as soon as we this fucking cave couldn't have balls.
It's gonna feel really warm out there.
Yeah.
Oh fuck! Because we're now acclimated to this.
Yeah. I'm in fucking long sleeve and I'm very comfortable.
Keep going.
I'm pretty comfortable in my head.
Oh, there's the ceiling. Good thing I got my hand on it. Took at least the hard point.
We'll say it blocks about, 3% damage.
Holy shit, guys! Look at this cut out of the rock. Like it's just a slice. Look at this shit. What the fuck?
Probably a fracture.
It's supposed to be a fracture, yeah.
That's crazy. It's just straight.
Unlike Kyle. But no.
Hey! So why are we wandering into a cave with him if he's not straight?
Neither am I.
Oh! That's crazy.
Baking or like this?
Well, it probably is like an actual place.
That's what I'm saying. Looks too clean. This is all fault.
Here lies Alec, resting with Colin. Whew.
Think about in there. That's all under right here.
Yeah.
Fuck, yeah, it is. Oh, man.
So think about that, where those pillars are, where we just were out there.
Yep.
That's the next level above, because that's going on at the same degree of angle. You know what I mean? But that one's like the layer above that level.
They're connected. I mean, if you guys are down, I'd say we should just check, I guess.
Keep going.
Yeah, just check.
Alright, I'm gonna hit pause on this. Hold on.